Hi, I'm Curtis Bottis and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I could buy crypto on the EasyCrypto platform, which is a sub company or sub platform of Easy Equities. So I'll show you just how to buy crypto on it. This is a follow-up video to the desktop application video I made, which is the desktop version of the app. But today I'm just going to show you briefly how to buy Bitcoin on the EasyCrypto platform. So if you're new, make sure to subscribe and also make sure to leave a like on this video. So let's get right into it. So once you've logged on to your Easy Equities app, you'll have to firstly activate the EasyCrypto platform. So once you buy your investment account, you'll see there's a plus icon at the bottom. As you can see by me, it's already enabled. So if you wanted to enable it, you will just go to the plus icon at the bottom. And here we'll see just another follow-up of other accounts. So the EasyCrypto will be at the bottom where we'll just say activate now. So once you've done that, it will just activate the account and then it will display underneath all your other investment account, which is, you can see on screen, EasyCrypto. So we'll just click on that. Now it will redirect us to the EasyCrypto platform, similar to what we've done with Easy Properties. So as we can see, this is a follow-up. In the previous video I made, I purchased 500 Rand of Bitcoin on the web app, and today I'm just gonna do another one on this platform. So as you can see, we're just gonna go through that. We have EasyCrypto, which is the entire balance of this account. Funds to invest, which we have 500 left. Here we just see a chart of our account so far. We have a 7-day, 1 month, 3 months, 1 year, and 1. As the account fluctuates up and down with. We have transaction history, we got recurring, and then we got our holdings on this account. You can see we got 500 Rand or 499 of Bitcoin on this account. We got latest news on the platform, and then we got Twitter updates, which we did cover in the previous video. So if we wanted to invest on the EasyCrypto, we'll just go to invest. But let's show you how to fund the account on the platform, on the mobile app itself. So you'll see there is a withdraw and send. So if we have two ways of funding this account, is via Bitcoin or via fiat or ZAR. So if we wanted to fund this account, you can see we got Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin. So if we wanted to fund this account using Bitcoin, we'll click on Bitcoin. Now it's gonna generate an address which we will have to click in from other platforms such as Luna or Wallet. So if we wanted to send Bitcoin from one of those platforms, we'll enter this address into that account and basically just send it to this. But if you wanted to fund your account via ZAR, you'll just click on South African ZAR, and then it's gonna give you some details which you're gonna have to put in your mobile banking application. So like I mentioned in the web app version, this EFT reference is the most important part when funding your account, because this will let EasyCrypto know that you are funding your account and not someone else's. So if you had to put this GW, you'll basically fund my account. So you have your own account. So make sure to put in your EFT when they ask for like my reference and their reference. So put in that unique code. And then just fill in just fill in the other basic information such as the bank, the account number, and so on. So if you're not Standard Bank, so far the only bank with Standard apps is coming soon. If you're not part of those banks, it will probably take more days, like 2 or so on, for the funds that come in your account. So just be patient on that. So once you've funded your account, we can start investing. So if you wanted to, like I mentioned, bundles basically just a combination of cryptos, which is your Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so on, which is combined into one bundle. So if one price fluctuates with the other one, it wouldn't affect as much. But as you can see, the most popular bundle so far is the EC10. We got more, which is up 9%. Now we got cryptocurrencies. This is based on market cap. So if we wanted to see all, we just click see all, which is available on this. We got Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash. Like I mentioned, the UI is very well designed. But also just another heads up, this is based on spot. So there's no exchange on EasyCrypto. You're basically buying at spot. So you can only buy and sell, and you can't basically exchange it, which is basically where you can have stop losses and so on, which is basically just buy it as it is at the current price and sell it at the current price. So if we have another feature, which is best performing crypto for the past 7 days. We got worst performers at the bottom. So if we wanted to buy on this account, we'll just basically click, let's go to see all, for example. And then we search by, we have more features, which is best performer, worst performer. We search by market cap. Just loading a little long. As we can see there, we got Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Tether. So I'm just gonna buy another 500 Rand Bitcoin on the account. So we'll click Bitcoin. As you can see here, the daily move, the change is 2%, daily move is down 0.68%. And this is in the past 7 days. If you look at the past 3 months, Bitcoin has been up 13%. If we look at the past here, it's been up 69%. And if we look at the max, there we can see it's up 500. The percentage is crazy. So if you bought Bitcoin in 2015. So besides that, here we have some more features. You can see here's just a risk disclaimer, and then we got buy now, sell recurring. So this is also probably the most important screen which you're going to be buying on a monthly. So the recurring, like I said, if you want to do without you having to come to the platform, you just set up a recurring which you will buy on a specific date each month. So I'd say if you don't want to come to the platform, just do this feature where you just say the amount you want to buy, and then basically it will do that each month for you. Here we just have sell. So if I wanted to sell my Bitcoin, I'll just click the amount I wanted to sell. So if I click on buy now, you'll just click on, I will just say, because I'm just going to use all the leftover on this account, so I'll just say buy now, which will be the max. So there we can see it's going to purchase a max of 500. So we'll just click buy now. And there we see, congratulations, you purchased another 500 Rand worth of Bitcoin. So that's basically, if you wanted to invest more, share the good news, and done. So give to my funds, you can see there is nothing left, notifications, this is the past history, under the history of, it's just basically just a depositing. So basically if we go back to the home screen, we can see funds to invest is like that. Here we can see our account is down 0.9% since the fees, and now our holdings in Bitcoin went up. As you can see, current value of Bitcoin is 997. So that is our current holdings in Bitcoin. So if I just recap, basically you're gonna have to activate your account via Easy Equities, then it will display on your Easy Equities account, and then you'll be able to get access to Easy Crypto, where you will be able to buy Bitcoin in the same ecosystem as Easy Properties and Easy Equities. So hopefully this video gave you an insight how to buy Bitcoin on the Easy Equities platform, and hopefully you learned something from this video. So I'm Curtis Barties. Until next time, peace out.